Hi students, good morning. Hearty welcome to online class. Now I am going to explain basic concepts. Algebra. Students, do you know like terms? Like terms. The variables of the terms along with their respective exponents must be the same. Listen, the variables of the terms, okay? The variables of the terms along with their respective exponents must be same. Listen, this is one term, this is another term, okay? Listen, a square, b square. So here a square, b square, okay? The variables are same, okay? The same variables called like terms, okay? Next one, application of identities. First one, a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Listen, for example, 3a plus 4c the whole square. Okay, solution a equal to 3a, a equal to 3a, b equal to 4c. First write the formula a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Next, substitute the values, okay? A equal to 3a, okay? So, 3a the whole square plus 2 into ab, okay? ab mean a value 3a, b value 4c plus 4c the whole square, b value, okay? Listen, 3 square mean 9, 3 3s are 9, a square plus 2. Listen, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 2, 12 2s are 24 AC, okay, AC plus 4 4s are 16 C square, okay. So next one, A minus B the whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. For example, 4A minus 2B the whole square. A equal to 4A, B equal to 2B. Next substitute the formula. Listen, so here write the formula a minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, okay. Next is substitute the values. A is equal to 4a, b equal to 2b, okay. Listen, 4a 2b, okay. Here don't mention minus sign, okay. This is the formula a minus b the whole square, okay. Listen, a equal to plus 4a, b equal to plus 2b, okay. Substitute the values 4a the whole square minus 2 into a value 4b, a value 4a, b value 2b plus 2b the whole square, okay. Listen, 4 4s are 16, okay. 16 a square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 AB plus 2 square mean 4B square. Okay, so 4A minus 2B the whole square equal to 16A square minus 16AB plus 4B square. Next one, A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Okay, this is the third one. Okay, listen, A plus B, A minus B. First, A into A square plus into minus, minus AB plus AB plus into minus, minus B square. Listen, first you take the A. Okay, A into A square. Next one, A into B plus into minus, minus AB plus next one, taking this one, okay, plus into plus, plus AB plus into minus, minus B into B square. Okay, listen, A square minus AB plus AB minus B square. Listen, cancelling plus AB minus AB. Remaining answer A square minus B square. Listen, A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Okay. For example, 3x plus 5y, 3x minus 5y. Listen, A value, A equal to 3x, B equal to 5y. Okay, so substitute the formula a square minus b square. So 3x the whole square minus 5y the whole square. 3 square x square minus 5 square y square. 3 3s are 9 x square minus 5 5s are 25 y square. Next one, cubic identities. A plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Listen, this is left hand side, this is right hand side. Okay. First, we are taking left hand side, a plus b the whole cube. Okay. A plus b into a plus b. Okay. So, a plus b, listen, a into a square. Again, next, a into b, ab. Okay. Plus into plus ab. Plus ab plus b into b square. Okay. A square plus ab plus b square into a plus b. Okay. Listen, a square plus 1 plus 1 2. So 2ab plus b square into a plus b. Okay, listen. A into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Listen, first taking a into a square plus 2ab plus b square plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Listen, a into a, listen, a square into a mean a cube plus 2 into a square 2a square b plus a b square plus a square b multiplying b a square b plus 2a b into b square 2a b square plus b square into b cube. Listen, a cube plus 2a square b. Here a square b. Okay, alligate a square. Okay, a cube plus 3a cube b plus 3ab cube. Listen, 2ab square. Here 1 ab square. So 2 plus 1 3ab cube plus b cube. LHS equal to RHS. Okay. A plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Okay. Students, last class I gave homework. You know. Listen, find side. Area of the square equal to 4 centimeter. Solution. First write the formula. Area of the square equal to a square units. Okay. Listen, a square equal to 4. Listen, area of the square value 4. A equal to root 4. Okay. So listen, multiplication 2 going to right hand side change 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 mean here write root 2. Okay. A equal to square root of 2 into 2. 2 into 2 mean 2. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. A equal to 2 centimeter. Find length. Base equal to 2 meter. Area of a rectangle equal to 6 meter. Okay, listen. Area of the rectangle equal to 6 meter square. Solution, area of a rectangle equal to L into B square units. Okay. Listen, area of the rectangle 6 equal to L into base value 2 meter. Okay. So listen, right hand side value multiplication value going to left hand side change divide. Okay, listen. Listen, right hand side value. Okay, right hand side value 2 multiplication 2 going to left hand side change divide. Okay, multiplication change divide. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Length is equal to 3 meter. Students, this is today maths homework. Write in your maths homework note. Thank you, students.